Many people still don't fully understand what AI has become today. In 2026, AI isn't just something to play with or write in text. It became a money-making machine. Anyone with a laptop and internet, even if they don't have a great career, can start a career online today. In this video, I show you 5 AI tools that many people are already making real money from. Let's start slowly. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AIs currently available and is used for many online jobs. For example, you can do it with writing articles or blog articles, copywriting, which is a promotional text that businesses use, YouTube scripts like the one you are currently watching, and freelancing various jobs. The interesting thing is that a lot of people don't write everything straight. They just give ChatGPT the idea, and the AI does it for the whole text. Once you do these jobs, you can go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork, where you can find clients. One client can give you $50 to $300, depending on the job. The idea here is simple. You don't have to write everything by hand. AI helps, and you focus on making money and customers. Finally, this video I shared with you today was ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI tools to make money in 2026. As you've seen, ChatGPT can be used for a variety of jobs like freelancing, writing, and content creation, which can lead you to real online opportunities. But this is only the beginning. In the following videos, we will share with you other AI tools that can also help you make money online. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the later tutorials. Thank you all.